Flamingo Land. Now we've come for a quick day out, the sun's shining, so why not? What we're going to do is, we're going to have some rides. We're actually going to film a ride for you and get you some on Ride POVs. We're going to have a little look around Maji, which was Lost River, we now got a name. And then to bring you any updates we find. So let's go get on some rides. Hey, so we're outside Velocity now, and it is currently open again, which is great news. It's running really well at the moment. Bear in mind, everyone, this could go down now and again. We know that they're still waiting for the odd part. We know that they're doing a little bit of work on it still, so if you see it open, get on it. It shouldn't be down for too long when it goes down.
Sit back and hold on tight.
Right, we're taking a ride at Mumbo Jumbo. Start.
Nice spot for their time there.
Yeah, it's running really well actually, it's quite smooth.
Best inversion.
That's running really well this year.
Not bad.
Not bad. Not sore, but not bad.
Here we go.
So here we have the very new entrance sign for Maji, which we are hoping will be open early next month.
Yeah, we're hoping for a July opening. I know how long we've been saying this. Feels like forever, but the new signage is looking nice.
Yeah, as you can see, signage for the entrance is now pretty much up and ready.
Yeah, we have spotted some other signage that's ready to go up as well.
We have,
today, folded
yeah.
up, right under the lift hill.
I mean, even the station looks pretty much there as well.
I think the other signage we've seen is going in the station. That's what it looks like.
But yeah, from what we can tell, externally everything looks pretty much there, so we would be hoping certainly next month for an opening, but either way, we're going to look around the area and we'll take you along to have a look as well. So the gift shop here, that looks fully stocked and ready. Plenty of merchandise in there from what we could tell through the windows.
It looks fuller than last time, that's for sure. And we have some more signage.
So here you've got the entrance and exit signs on the other side there. Yeah, again, externally, we can't see there being too much to do, in all honesty.
It's bits of theming now, isn't it, really? That's it.
It really is just tidying it up a bit, but...
the screens in the station are now on as well. And I think you can see in the station there, we've got a new TV, and it's showing all the ride instructions. It's actually going round now, the video. That looks very new.
And the first seal enclosure, like we've said before, it's looking really good. Yeah, it's really tidied. It's really tidied the area up.
Yeah, it has. They look happy. The whole area just looks, it needed it. It really needed it. So we like the fact that they've redone Maji simply for that. There you go. It's almost like we've timed.
It's a hard life here at Flamingo Land.
Oh, I think we've disturbed a nap. There we go. So we've got a boat in the station here. To us, these still look like the original boats. Now we wonder if they are going to refurb them or paint them up. Don't know yet.
Yeah, you never know. Hopefully there'll be a bit of retheming for them for the new ride, but yeah, we'll have to wait and see. Okay, so here we have the reimagined drop as well as the cameras for the on-ride photography.
Yeah, when we say reimagined, I mean it is a lot smaller than it was, but we're still hoping for better things inside
Yeah,
the show
so
buildings.
inside these show buildings here, we are expecting a 4D experience.
Yeah.
So obviously cinematics and movement on the boat as well, so that'll be interesting.
We literally have no idea, do they? They've not released any information.
There's been
about
absolutely
this.
no release or any information given, so this is all
We
speculation.
have no idea.
The only thing I hope they do with the show buildings themselves is just put a bit of theming on the outside, just
Yeah.
tidy them up a little bit.
Yeah, there have been refers to them being called, you know, shed the ride line.
Like with this Lion Coast here, even just this greenery.
Yeah, that would suit it. It would make it.
Yeah.
It'd just make it look a bit better.
Just make it
wouldn't
fit into the area a bit better, add that theme in and give it that bit of appeal.
Yeah.
But yeah, you are now looking at the reimagined drop of Maji.
We wonder if it'll be a soaker or not. That's the big question. And if you look closely here, you can actually see there is a boat on the lift hill, actually part way up. It's a Sunday today, so we don't expect testing, but this means that testing is happening pretty continuously now. That's a very good sign.
Okay, so there's our update on the new Maji River Ride.
Yeah, I keep calling it Lost River, but no, it is official. It is Maji now.
Yeah, it is Maji now, so that is the new official name. But no, I mean, it's looking good. The area's looking nice,
It's looking very
presentable.
fresh.
It is, yeah.
It needed it. It did need it. I mean, if you think about the animal enclosures and things before, what they've got now is so much better. So I'm really glad they've done it for that. I know we keep saying we'd rather they put the money somewhere else, but as far as the animal welfare goes, they've kind of nailed it on the head there.
Yeah, but I mean, in terms of the ride, yeah, everything externally looks ready to go. Flamingo Land have been very hush-hush about everything. Nothing's
really
been
have, yeah.
released or official with it, and as you know, this project's been ongoing for a considerable amount of
Yeah,
time now.
a few
So,
years, yeah.
yeah, we would hope that something would happen in the near future.
We really hope it's next month.
We do,
Yeah,
we really do. I mean, from what we can see externally, there's just a few tweaks here and there for them
Yeah.
to do, but yeah, hopefully opening very soon.
Hold on tight, hold on.
And now we're taking a ride in Kumali.
Very smooth, good ride.
No head banging at all there.
Please sit back and lie firmly against the headrest.
And now we're on Cliffhanger. Andy's in full combo mode, even better.
Nice little pop of airtime there. Great for the views. And a bit of airtime on that drop as well.
Yeah, fantastic drop down this. It's still got a lot of force to it.
Yeah, good ride.
Okay, so that concludes our day at Flamingo Land here. We've had a good day. We've got on all the rides we wanted and brought you those brand new POVs. The only thing that we thought was a little bit off was ops were very, very slow again.
Yeah, they were very slow. I mean, the time for example, we were looking at 5 minutes.
Yeah, we were.
Dispatch times, and I think we've just been a little bit spoiled
We've
after
just
being.
got back from Thorpe Park.
Yeah, where they were bagging them out in under a minute, and
Yeah.
the difference in speed, operations, and everything.
Yeah.
It was a complete contrast for us. So I think.
I mean, yeah, we did 17 stealths in 50 minutes, wasn't it?
Yeah,
one day?
whereas today in a couple of hours we got 4 rides. I mean, there were 4
rides, yeah.
brilliant rides. Don't get us wrong, but yeah, I think we got a little bit spoiled at
Yeah,
Thorpe.
we have
So,
been a little bit.
But either way, yeah, we've got a couple of up-to-date POVs for you now.
Yeah, have a little look around the Maji area.
Yes, yeah.
And,
So we'll be able to bring you all the updates on that as well, and
Yeah,
you'll be
we
able to
will.
see from the video. But yeah, keep watching this space. Keep
We'll
up
be
to
back
date.
very soon.
And as always, thank you for watching.